Hey guys, so in today's video, we're gonna go over how to pull a credit report using Calyx Point. So basically, you're gonna do that in loan application page 3. The first step you're gonna do is click request credit. And you basically just have to make sure that all your fields are filled in. First name, last name, social security, home phone number, birthday, the addresses, former address. So basically, if you fill in everything correctly on the borrower information screen and loan application page 1 screen, all these things should come over and interface correctly. So the next thing you're going to do is click your credit agency. You're going to select credit report, order new report, and you're going to check this box, pay by credit card, and you're going to input the credit card information. In this case, we're going to input the borrower's credit card. So you basically fill out what type it is, the account number. You're going to input the month it expires and the year it expires. Lastly, we're going to input the code and then press OK. Submit. OK. And now it's retrieving your credit report. So once it picks up all the information, your credit report is going to first pull in all the liabilities. So you want to click Ignore Zero Balance. And then you'll click Populate. And it'll populate basically all the active accounts. And this first page will show you the scores. And that's how you pull a credit report through Calyx Point.